Mel from Pearland has water questions.
Does he ever? His water looks like this, Tom. He wants to know what would cause this iron to get in the water. At least he thinks it's iron, and he wants to know how to get rid of it.
Well, luckily he's close to Alvin, so he can call Aquatex and have them come out and find a solution for his problem, because they are the water treatment experts as far as I'm concerned. Pearland has got, down in that area, you have to go almost 600 feet deep to get decent water. The water is horrible, and they've been known down there to have some really nasty stuff that the city is not going to drill. They're not going to redo their water plants. They never thought Pearland would grow as big as it did. And it just got huge out there, and it's growing and growing, and they don't have the water to take care of it. So don't drink it, condition it. If you have to put a filter on the house, call Aquatex. But that is some really bad water in that part of the state, and that part of the city too, I should say, or their surrounding areas.
You talk to John. He is a magician with water. I've never seen a guy who knows so much and has so many tools to get stuff out of the water as John and
I would like to see this gentleman, if he calls Aquatex, if he follows through, send us a before and after picture of the water. I'd love to see the difference.
Yeah, I'd love to see that. Yeah, send us a cotton swab after they've been through. Okay, let's see what that looks like. All right. Yes, whether, huh?
Don't drink it.
Don't drink it. Okay, sorry. See, it's just like the TV guys. We got a little bit of a delay going on here. So, all right. You got a question? Don't delay. Send it today. Visit HomeShowRadio.com and fill out that Ask Tom form. Send it in. We'll answer it just like this. And we'll post it to our Facebook page, our website, even our YouTube channel, which, by the way, if you subscribe there and click the bell, Tom, click the bell. There it is. We will. You'll know when we post a new one.